I am here with Stevie and I'm going to show you how to dress up your fluffy socks, your casual Sunday chill out outfit with some BAKEUP color with the Micro Palm palette. Let's do a cute cozy mint to go with this yummy warm cozy maroon. I'm going to go straight in there, put my ring finger into the minty pastel green, and I'm just going to do it at the edge. No brushes needed, just use your fingertips, smudge, blend, pat, repeat. Great. We're also going to do underneath. Just going to carry that through, same ring finger, just going to go straight in again and just add more. It's all about building these pigments and building these layers of color. Again, finishing the look, I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to the outer line so you get a little bit of the spiky jet sootiness alongside the minty pastel green. There we go. Cute, simple way to wear pastels. I'm going to show you how to add gems in 30 seconds to any look. I'm going to use the pastel water droplet gems. I'm going to go for the blue ones. I want them to pop along the green and just add a little bit more texture. They self-adhere, so all you need is a couple of tweezers. You take it off and you go straight on. So 3 gems in the corner, 3 little triangle. I just think it's a cute way to wing out the eye and add a little bit of interesting detail. It's just unique to wear a gem over the top of shadow. Adding just 3 gems in a triangle to the corner of your eye and just gives you an instant, fast, unique look.